In this video I am going to explain one topic, that is histogram. See, histogram is nothing but it's a graphical representation of mean, median or mode. There is one more graphical representation that is O gives for in your syllabus, that I will explain in another video. In this video I am going to explain about histogram. See, the question will be like this: draw histogram for the following frequency distribution and calculate mode, median, mean. They will ask only one: calculate mode or median or mean. Here, for your understanding, I have calculated mean, median, mode, everything. So I will show you. See, this is the question. Variables and frequency. See, variables in the sense class intervals, x values they have given, class intervals and frequencies they have given. Class intervals have started from 10 and ended to 80. Each class intervals width is 10 10. Just see, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and they have given till 80. The each class interval width is 10 10 values. In the same way they have given frequency values: 12, 30, 35, 65, 45, 25, 18. See, the frequencies are in normal frequencies. It is not in cumulative frequency. If they have given in cumulative frequencies in the question, that you have to convert into normal frequencies, then you have to do this graphical presentation. See, this is a graphical presentation. I will show you how to do this. It is like a bar graph. The histogram is nothing but it's a bar graph. How we will represent this data in bars. See, here I have written class intervals and frequencies. See, for a class intervals, the is started from 10 to 20 and it is ended to 80. See, if I take this as 0, 10, see, one block is there, no, this is one block, this is one means 10 values you can take. If there is, see here 10 values is there, so here 10 values mean, here 12 values, here 30 values. So in the same way, from each block you can take 10 values. So 10 values, so 10 values I have taken, and this box is also 1 centimeter. So here I have written x-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. X-axis equals 1 centimeter equals 10 units or numbers, 10 numbers. Y-axis, 1 centimeter equals 10 units or 10 numbers. 10 numbers have taken. So 10 number. So 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. They have given values till 80. So I have written till 100, no problem. So you have to write till 80 only. And here frequency values. When frequency values, see here they have given 12, 30, 35, 65, 45, 25, 18. See here I have written 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. See, almost frequencies are nearest to till 65. In the sense, you can write till 65 or till 70. But here I have written till 90. So no problem. So up to whatever is there, the number, till that number only you have to do this presentation. Means you have to draw one bar graph. That is what it means. See here, 12, 10 to 20, there are 10 to 20, they have given 12. See, if you think this as marks and this as people, this frequency is people, there are 12 people, their marks comes between 10 to 20. There are 30 people, their marks comes between 20 to 30. There are 35 people, their marks comes between 30 to 40. That is what it means. That is what you are showing in graphical form. See, 10 to 20 means this is class intervals, no? Means you have to say class intervals. 10 to 20. What about 12? 12 they have given no frequencies. Draw one block, one box. Here you will get 12, almost you will get here, no? So till there, draw one box. 12. Thus, see here the class interval started from 10, which means that you have to draw a box from 10 to 20 only. If the class interval started from 0 to 10 in the sense, then you have to draw a box from here. 10 to 20, 12. 20 to 30. 20 to 30. So the class interval, so 20 to 30, there's continuation, no? In the same way, from that number to this number, you have to draw one more box. That is 30, means up to here. The height should be means 30. Till 30 number, you have to take this. Drag this box. 12, 30, 20 to 30, 30, 10 to 20, 12, 30 to 40, 30 to 40, 35, 30 to 40, 35. Almost you will get 35 here. 35. Next, 40 to 50, 40 to 50, 65, 40 to 50, 65, 60, 65. Next, 50 to 60, 45, 50 to 60, 45. So 45 almost comes here. So 45. Next, 60 to 70, 25. 60 to 70, 25, 25 almost comes here. So put one line. Next, 70 to 80, 70 to 80, 18. So 18. So 18 almost comes here. So draw one box. So this is what bar graph. So you see here I have written 90, 100 also till 100, but they have given data till 80 only. So you have to represent this data till 18 numbers only. So this, you see here I have calculated mean and median and mode. And mode also I have calculated. See, in mean, how to calculate mean, median, mode in the sense. So I have already made video regarding this. So for that you have to watch previous videos. See, mean they are given. Usually when they ask you, when they give question, when they ask you to draw histogram in the sense, usually they will ask you to calculate only mean, median or mode, any one calculation. Usually they won't give three calculations. So here I have calculated all three calculations for your understanding. So if in mean I am getting mean value 45.78. In the same way, median value I have got 45.8. Mode I have got 46. See, almost I am getting almost nearest to 46. The values what I am getting, so almost it is nearest to 46, no? So that we have to, after writing this, that we have to represent that 46. How in the sense? See here, 46 is there, no? 46 where you are getting, no? There. So 46 you are getting, that you have to represent here. See, 40, this is class intervals. Always you have to take here only, from class intervals only. 10 to 20, 30, 40, 40, 45. This is 45. Next, 46 comes here. So draw one line. So almost you are getting 46, no? So this is 46. So what is this? This is an average value. This if they are given mean, if they ask you to calculate mean in the sense, you have to write x bar. If they ask you to calculate median in the sense, you have to write m. If they ask you to calculate mode in the sense, you have to write z. This is how you have to calculate mean, median, mode, and this is how you have to represent that mean, median, mode value in the form of graph. This is one type of graphical presentation of mean, median, mode, that is histogram. There is one more kind of graphical presentation as per your syllabus, that is O gives, that we will see in the next video.